This short guide explains how to buy shares of Mercer International Inc., a pulp and wood products company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MERC. This is educational content only and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to trade, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MERC to find the company quickly. Select the Mercer International Inc. listing from the results to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement and basic information. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker MERC to ensure this is the correct stock. To buy, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, check order details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.